Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing part of this particular interior over here. So we'll be continuing with the texturing part for this. So let's get started. So now we have done a bit of texturing over here. So we'll be continuing now. So as you can see, I'll just increase the darkness of this color because it's looking more of a whitish, much better. So let's go over here, select this pillows. Let's take a V-Ray material, go into the diffuse bitmap, and we'll be assigning a texture over here for this pillows. So we'll be taking this texture and let's just assign it. Give a UVW map, set it as a box, assign the same material, give a UVW map, assign it as a box over here. For this side table, we'll be also assigning the same bed texture, that's your wooden texture, what we have assigned over here. So select this and you can unwrap it if you want, you can definitely unwrap it. But for now it is not required to unwrap, so I'm not unwrapping it, just assign. Now after that, let's go over here for this curtain. So select this, let's go into the material. Again take a V-Ray material. You can use ID also, you can use set ID that we had done in the standard primitives by using a multi-sub object. That can be done over here also. So let's go into this, and for a curtain I have a texture over here. Just give a texture, let's go into refract and I'll make it more of a transparent over here. Looks much better. So if you want, I can slightly increase, so you can make it less transparent, or if you want we can do that, that's not a problem. Select this frame, go into the material, take a V-Ray material again. So before we add over here, I'll select this box over here, go into the material bitmap, and I have taken some texture over here. Let's just assign that. UVW map, convert to editable poly, select the polygons, I'll inverse it. So if you want to inverse the polygons, you can press Ctrl I on your keyboard. Let's go into the material again, take a V-Ray material, and I'll slightly give a color over here. That's it. Much better. So select this, Again, I'll take one more V-Ray material. So we are taking a V-Ray material. Diffuse, go into this bitmap, and let's take another texture over here. UVW map, convert to editable poly. Again, inverse it, and let's just assign that. So as you can see, I have done few things over here in this way. Now the next thing over here is like, let's select this. I'll just isolate this. I'll select this window part, isolate this, select the polygons over here, and let's go into the material. Let's take a V-Ray material and go into diffuse, bitmap, and let's give I don't need a bitmap, I'm extremely sorry, I need to make it a glass. Let's give a refract over here, assign that, so control I, inverse it, and I'll add a white color to it, or if you have a white wooden texture, that can also be added. So right click, and I'll just end isolate this, as you can see over here. So for the curtain also, I can go into the curtain part, and I can, oops, okay, that's the okay, now looks much better now. Select this part, take this, I'll again take a V-Ray material, diffuse, bitmap, and I'll take a wooden texture, light wooden texture over here, and let's assign a UVW map and set it as a box. And if you want, you can just fit the texture. You have option over here for fitting. You can easily fit that particular texture if you want. I'll just save the file once over here in this way. So let's go over here, select this, go into the material, and we'll give a metallic texture over here. So take a V-Ray material, just give a color, go into reflect, reduce, give a reflection. You have a Fresnel reflections, and I'll reduce the R glossiness. You can see more specular. Assign that. You can Just render and see how it looks like. Okay, much better. So I can just rename this as metal over here. Select this, go into the material, take again a V-Ray material, and let's give diffuse over here. Just give a black color. So you can just rename the elements over here, much better. So rename it. Alright. So just save your file again. Go into the material. Slightly reflectivity will give. Assign that. Alright, so just save your file, guys. So we'll save it. So as you can see, so if you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.